Hello, kids. Today we'll prepare our lunch and we're gonna make a delicious sandwich. We'll use this special paper to wrap our sandwich. We also have here our bun for our sandwich with sesame seeds. Let's start by opening our package and use some lettuce that we'll put on one side of the sandwich, like such. We have our lettuce. We don't need all of it. And next, we'll add some tomato on top of the lettuce and some red onion. Let's see, we also need some black olives and some pickles. On this side, we'll put some mustard and some mayo. Not too much. And now we need to add our protein, which is our meat. We will slice it using this slicer. It's a little thick, but that's fine. And here's the second slice. So we'll put our meat on this side, on top of the mustard and the mayo. Perfect. I think we forgot something. We also need to add some cheese. Let's use American cheese and Swiss cheese. We need also to cut some slices. Here's a slice of Swiss cheese. And a slice of American cheese. And now we'll put our cheese on top of the meat, just like that. We need one last thing. Some olive oil, not too much, on this side. Perfect. And our delicious sandwich is ready. And now we just need to wrap it in the special paper. And we just finished wrapping our sandwich, but we still need two more things. Some chips to eat with our sandwich, and also a drink. We'll pick lemonade. We have our chips, our drink, our sandwich, and we'll add maybe a chocolate chip cookie to end our lunch with a nice little dessert. And with the lunch that we just prepared, we will not be hungry. Thanks for watching.